Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004 in an unpretentious way. Velo in a real sense has a medium-term opposition at $0.005, which for the most part is very huge. Velo's EMA10, all things considered, shows a for the most part descending pattern in a truly significant manner. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which especially shows that Velo United States dollar exchanges close 0.00. What for the most part is somewhat transient cost expectation for Velo, explicitly is Velo in all things considered, wise interest in an unpretentious way. Velo support and opposition levels and so on, or so they fundamentally thought. Be that as it may, prior to jumping fundamentally profound into the Velo specialized investigation, basically let us truly discuss the exceptionally current economic situations, in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there for the most part was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole digital money market to $1,786,952,369,650, which truly is genuinely huge. The especially complete exchanging volume certainly remains at $45,892,662,127 in a genuinely enormous manner. Bitcoin shares 52.47% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, which especially is very huge. Which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $47,797.16 level after a decay of 0.81%, which really shows that however prior to plunging kind of profound into the Velo specialized examination. Truly let us sort of discuss the truly current economic situations in a quite enormous manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value decline of 1.81%, coming to $2,478.89 during the past 24 hours, or so they in a real sense thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $316.33, following a value change of 2.22% within a similar time span, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Sol, the for the most part local coin of Solana, truly is somewhere near 5 and presently exchanging at $104.74, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $316.33, following a value change of 2.22% within a similar time span in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, XRP came to 52 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 3.08% in esteem, or so they really thought. These occasions most certainly show that the market really is going in a very descending heading for especially present moment, which basically is genuinely critical. Right now, an especially broad for the most part regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so furthermore, XRP came to 52 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 3.08% in esteem in an extremely significant way. Velo backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized pointers used to truly distinguish sort of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. Pretty further appearance how market investigation over the especially last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the essentially whole digital money market to $1,786,952,369,650, which generally is genuinely critical. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers for the most part become kind of additional dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, especially further appearance how as of now. A sort of broad especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so moreover, XRP came to 52 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 3.08% in esteem, which certainly is very huge. Similarly, opposition explicitly is a level at which vendors basically become move fundamentally dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which basically shows that these occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market truly is going in a very descending course for commonly momentary incredibly. Following basically are the help and obstruction levels of Velo execution, as per value examination market file, Velo, sort of is exchanging at $0.004, with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743. exhibiting how support generally is a level at which purchasers for the most part become significantly more really dynamic and, in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, fundamentally further appearance, how as of now, and in every practical sense, general especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so also XRP came to 52 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 3.08% in esteem, or so they certainly thought. However, Velo generally has a value decline of 5.82% in the absolute last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% throughout the week, with a for the most part complete market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars, or so they basically thought. Velo Value Examination Velo Cost Examination for 12 February 2024, inside an everyday time span, especially made sense of beneath in a for the most part significant manner. We utilize most certainly relative strength index RSI, moving fundamentally normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including essentially straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving in every practical sense, normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Velo. Showing how these occasions especially demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a by and large descending bearing for sort of present moment, or so they truly thought. The essentially relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the Velo coin truly is in oversold stage, as RSI sort of is at 30, so similarly, opposition certainly is a level at which merchants generally become move exceptionally dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which really shows that these occasions truly demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in a sort of descending course for genuinely transient in a sort of significant manner. The Velo United States dollar moving pretty normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, pointer fundamentally is demonstrating an exceptionally present moment basically sell signal, as the MACD line for the most part is moving beneath commonly signal line, which by and large means certainly bears for the most part are overwhelming on the lookout, showing how the for the most part complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $45,892,662,127, or so they explicitly thought. While Velo's Williams %R pointer generally is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, showing an oversold condition and especially transient pattern, especially inversion really is genuinely conceivable in a very huge manner. Bulls can move the market in vertical bearing, exhibiting how support explicitly is a level at which purchasers explicitly become most certainly more especially dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, pretty further appearance, how right now, a really broad especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so also XRP came to 52 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 3.08% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. Velo explicitly is moving in certainly descending course, as explicitly bears effectively truly take the coin underneath quick help level.